Morning everyone. Sunday. Sunday pancakes. Today to whoever whomever interested in this kind of pancakes for today. And then yeah, you can let's get started. البنات اليوم واحد الفطائر غريبة عجيبة سريعة باللوز. Pancake. I guess what? Pancake with almond flour. And almond flour, it's still a little bit like a gluten-free. Maybe you can say gluten-free today, gluten-free pancake, but it will be a little bit a white flour, a little bit. But if you want to do whole pancake almond flour, yeah, you can do it. So I'm having here 1/3 cup in 1 cup. 1/3 cup, and like maybe I'm gonna do 2. It depends how many you wanna serve. So yeah, almond flour. Already have a little bit pinch of salt and brown sugar. If you want a white sugar, you can do it. I'm doing brown sugar. 1/3 cup. Depend. I will leave my ingredient in my description box. So let's mix all in here. Dry ingredient. And then I have here 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna use the egg yolk. Oops, made a mistake. Sorry. I need here just egg yolk. Okay, egg yolk. Easy for breakfast. Or I don't know. Somebody like pancake in any time, I guess. But let's see. Almond flour today. Try it, and let me know. Here, milk. So milk, I'm not I use always my eye bowl like they say. عينكم ميزانكم شوية الحليب البنات. اليوم اللوز صراحة البانكيك ديال اللوز الجلوتين فري بصراحة اللي كتضروا اللي كيوجعوا الدقيق الفرينة. ديروها خلطوه بشويه. هو شويه ديال مش عندنا شويه فرينه مخلط بدقيق اللوز. بصراحه هو مش خالي من الجلوتين. نزيد نقولوها نعاودوها مش خالي من الجلوتين. It's not like a gluten free because a little bit flour, all-purpose flour, but less gluten free. Let's say that less gluten free. Okay, that's it. This is my dry ingredient. And wet ingredient, what I have left? A teaspoon of baking powder and half. That's it. Easy breakfast. Okay, البنات شويه ديال الخميره 2 بيضات انا درت شويه ديال الخميره ديال الحلوى. المهم المقادير غنخليهم لكم في صندوق الوصف. واللي مهتمه بهذا البانكيك في دقيق اللوز نسال تعطينا السؤال. غادي ندرب هذا ابيض البيض ونتلاقاو من بعيد من جديد. عفوا. اوكي that's how it's when you beat your egg white, because I have only 2 pieces, so 2 egg, so that's good enough like this. بنات دربوا ابيض البيض. انا عندي هاك ندربوا ابيض البيض يجيبنا هيك بيوصل هيك الدرجه هذه هي هاك خلاص بنحطوه. so we're gonna add egg white in the batter, and easy something to do at home. Try it and see. I have a big bowl for 2 eggs. Don't believe I should do a small bowl, but it's okay because I helped with this bowl for the standing mixer. That's why. See, so let's. How we're gonna do this? Just like this. Don't mix a lot. Leave a little bit layer on it. It has to be thicker. Your pancake has to be thicker a little bit. It's gonna be perfect. That's enough. That's it. You don't wanna mix a lot. Just like this. البنات ما تحركوش بزاف، خليوه هكا خاطر باش كيجي حلو زوين. المهم now we are ready to bake it. البنات خلاص فوالا ready for today for Sunday breakfast. So I'm gonna get my pan ready. هي ما عندهاش البنات هاد سميتها دير سميتو دير مقله ولا دير عادي. I'm gonna bake it very quick. So I'm gonna use this quarter of cup like this. As you can see, I'm gonna leave the batter here. Oh, I forgot the butter. Sorry. Without butter, I don't think so. Oh my god. Without butter, we need to put butter for real. البنات خاصكم الزبدة، من غير الزبدة ما نقول لكم الزبدة راه خاصكم الزبيدة. الزبيدة هي really you put a little butter here, a little bit butter. So that's it. Now go ahead, put your smaller, they become very small. If you need them bigger, go ahead, have them bigger. In the end, it's up to you. Just wanna share with you this way how I do my pancake. If somebody interested, we'll try. Okay. بنات غير الطريقة هذه نوريها لكم، طريقتي أنا ديال البانكيك. الطريقة ديالي أنا ديال البانكيك نتوما تفنوا صراحة. الطريقة ديال اللوز ترايت جربوا البنات. من التعلم يتعلم الإنسان. من الغلط. سوري هذا مش أصلا غلط. طريقة حلوة 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 حلوة. There is and I do have this. البنات اللي عندها هاد الصغيورين هادو راهم حلوين. If you do have these little things, trust me, you're gonna have it like straight. For a little butter. I'm gonna have another spoon. شوفوا البنات ها نجربوا حيدة معاكم هذه زعما كيك حيت غنجربوها في البوطة في الغاز. And try this on the top of the stove. Okay, now what is that one here? Oof, I don't have to forget because otherwise you're gonna burn it up. شوفوا البنات خليوه ملي غتشوفوه راه مازال خليوه حتى يشد راسو عاد نتقلبوه عاد يتقلب كثر حتى اللي فيه اللوز. اوكي عطيني هذا. اوكي let's do this. خدام علينا هذا. اوكي شوفوا البنات المهم مديروش على الروينه. Even you have make a little mess, not big deal. No big deal. Let's try now. Oops. What you're gonna do? شوفوا. You can when you wanna flip it, you have to be. Ooh. See, you don't have to have it like almost boring up. When you're gonna flip it, you have to have like half of it and then flip. don't think too much, just push and flip. If they get together like this, it's very good. بلاد انا خصني هذا عالي يعني. شوف شنو درت غلط البنات، خصكم ديروا هذه ناقصه بزاف، ناقصه خصها تكون. Be careful if you're very high heat, you'll burn them up. I forgot them, but it's okay. So شوفوا البنات هذه حتى هي كي كتجي. ها نجربوا هذه فيها، نجربوا هذه. شوفوا كتجي زوينه، كتجي صغيره على حسب تكتروش فيها. المهم زي البغرير. You can use that little pan and it's gonna be like shaped perfect. It's on top of the stove. Let's see. So yeah, that's it. And you can serve. You're ready to serve. This is the end of the project for today. البنات I hope you will try and see. البنات هذه هي الطريقه ديال هاد البغريرات. واش بغريرات يعني هاد الفطائر هادو بانكيك مع اللوز، دقيق اللوز مخلط مع الدقيق اللي هو شويه جلوتين فري، شويه ماشي نقولوا كله ولكن قليل من الجلوتين. حبيت نشارك هذه الطريقه، واللي عنده شي سؤال تشاركني وتسولني.